All right, Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashem, Kadash, and the Heavenly Father. True names of Yahweh. His only begotten Son, Ba'ashem, the name of Mashiach Yahushai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashwan Kadash tongue. And I say Barakatham to the elders, while Akim Akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit down lesson of this recent news article. As we seen the markets definitely been having a latest winning streak. So I believe for the past 3 days we've been seeing the Dow Jones low for the third straight day, even though the Nasdaq composite finished higher. I believe the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones was down today, but the Nasdaq was up today. And this is from Market Watch, and this is from last updated November the 18th, 2024 at 4:27 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It says stock markets today, Dow Jones lower for third straight day. And I believe the Dow Jones was like negative 55 points. Yep, it says the Dow Jones lower for the third straight day loss, while the Nasdaq finished higher. Follow along the Market Watch coverage, financial markets on Monday. And that's the index performance. So the Dow Jones was up earlier in the day, and then it was like kind of up and down, and then it finished lower in the negatives category. Yep, the Dow Jones Industrial Average was negative 55.39. It went down 0.13 points of 43,389.60. And the S&P 500 was up today 23 points, 0.39 points. And the Nasdaq was up 0.60%, 111.69. And the the U.S. 10-year yield was 0.008, 4.413%, and the DXY was down 0.45, 0.42% at 106.23. It says the U.S. stocks end most highly with the Nasdaq's leading gains. It says the U.S. stock ends mostly higher on Monday as the market attempts to rebound from its worst week in months. Investors await NVIDIA third quarter earnings report on Wednesday. It says the Dow Jones Industrial Average went down 55.39 points, or 0.1, to end the 43,389.60 for the third straight day loss, according to the Dow Jones market data. And the S&P 500 rose 23 points, or 0.4, to finish at 5,893.62. The Nasdaq composite gained 111.69 points, or 0.6%, to close at 18,791.81. It says oil gained 3% on concerns over significant escalations in Ukraine-Russian war. It says the oil futures settled on Monday as the highest more than a week, with President Joe Biden's decision to allow Ukraine to use U.S. supply long-range missiles to strike deeper into Russia, contribution to more than 3% rise in prices for the session. The concern of the oil patch is that this could be a significant escalation in a war that increasing the odds more countries to get involved. And it could put the availability of Russian oil and natural gas at risk. Phil Flame, senior market analyst at the Price Future Group, told MarketWatch as the crude oils was down 0.24%. 0.24 and 0.35%. And the Brent crude was down 0.22% at 0.16. So with that, this was just a quick sit down lesson as we see in the as of November 18th, 2024 at 4:27 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and last updated on November the 18th from MarketWatch.com. As the stock market today says, the Dow Jones ends lower for the third straight day, daily losses, while the Nasdaq finished higher. So with that, hopefully this sit down lesson was edifying of this recent news article from MarketWatch.com. As the Dow Jones was down in lower for the third straight day as daily losses, while the Nasdaq finished higher. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory down to Yahweh by Hashem, Yahweh Shai by Hashem Akakadash, and the Heavenly Father, the true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son by Hashem in the name of Hamashiach Yahushua. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashwan Kadash Sultan. And I say Barakatham to the elders, Wa'akim Aqua. Until next time, I will say Shalom.